Now the next syndrome that we were talking about is digital fatigue syndrome. Digital fatigue syndrome means where you are continuously attached to your laptop for more than 6-7 hours. You forget about your real life, you forget about the real world which is around you, and you're completely glued to your work. Now this creates a lot of negative effect on your musculoskeletal system, and you start to show gradually some kind of effect, and this is not only limited to one part of the body, your entire body gets affected. You get headache, you get neck pain, you get shoulder pain, you get back pain, you get knee pain, and you get your ankle pain, and slowly it increases. You are at the thrust of getting weight gain. You become a victim of many serious health conditions like heart diseases. Your breathing becomes very difficult, and gradually you can feel your muscles are also slowing down. This kind of fatigue syndrome can be reduced if we continuously try to put some kind of movement pattern in your body. You try to move your joints very frequently. You try to interact with your body very frequently. Now let's get started with some very simple stretches that you should do in your office or at your home, just to reduce down the digital fatigue syndrome. Now when you're seated on your chair, it does not matter whether you're in office or in your home, you can just use a simple chair, sit at a little bit forward position, and just try to clasp your fingers and lift up your body back, forward and down. Up, stretch your spine back, forward and down. Up, back, forward and down. Up and back, forward and down. Now this is also a very simple activity which does not require to take a leave from the office, or it does not require you to go and to a separate room where you can just sit down silently and do the exercise. If you do it in the office, others will also watch you and they will also start doing it. Now the other pattern that we can do is again a twisting of your spine. That is very easy. So what you can do, you can just try to put one leg on the other like this. Put the opposite hand at the outer portion of the knee. Try to move or twist your spine towards the other side. Feel the stretch at the outer portion of your thigh. With a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. In the same way, putting on the knees, twist your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. This is the other one which you can do. Next, coming to the other pattern where you can do simple stretches, well, right there in your chair. Like you can use your right hand, use your left leg and try to touch each other, right? Touch, up, touch and up, touch, up, touch, up. Simple. You can do it for 15 to 20 repetitions. Do not hurry up. It's very simple and sustained. You have to do it. Now, going to the other opposite. Left hand, right knee. Left hand, right knee. Just try to move your spine as well along with the movement of your hand, and you see the movement of your upper back and your lower back as well. So this is to the other pattern in which we can reduce the digital fatigue syndrome. There are a lot of things, but I will just be sharing few of them, and if you people want to know more about these things, just drop a message or a comment box, and I will try to share a new video where I can show you some seated exercises, some standing exercises, and some stretches that is going to help you to reduce down with the body fatigue, right? So next, you can just stretch up your hands forward, stand up, stretch back, and sit down. Again, stretch up, back, sit down. Again, stretch up, sit down. Right? Isn't it very interesting and very nice to see this movement of your body? Well, if done regularly, it will help you to reduce your digital fatigue syndrome. Along with that, you will also feel relaxed, you will also feel more flexible, and there will be less chance of getting pain in your body. So I hope you must have got a little bit idea about these two words that we were discussing, and I hope you all will be practicing these things very soon, and you will inculcate these simple stretches in your body in your day-to-day life.